Oh my gosh! Haha, I really thought I was pretty good. No! Wait, where? Okay. Come on. Okay. You're a clever one. I will find you. Oh no! I will find you, button. Yay! 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 Yes! No, somewhat. Yeah! I just said, oh! Pick a color. Pink. Green? Perfect. Okay. Press the green, press the red button. Oh yeah, press the green button. Oh yeah, press the blue button. What the heck? See, you just can't trust me again. I can't. No, we don't. I will click you, big red button. Ew, I'm not looking deep inside me. Ew, ew.
That's kinky. Look inside you, deeper.
Deeper. You could have been dead right there. Why? And there? No. No, eventually I'll stop letting you get away from with this. The world is going to explode, and all you care about is pressing buttons.
Stand straight.
Okay, this is right. The world will explode. I guarantee it. Boom, you're dead. Yay! That wasn't very smart now, was it? Yes. Everyone's dead. Even you. Nope, everyone's alive. See, I'm in class. I'm not. I'm just text. No, but you're dead. I'm not. Haha, dead face. Stop clicking. Yes, you have. Well, I do. I'm going to start talking. Upside down if you click one more time. Ha! Can't read me now, can ya? Yes, I can. What? You didn't want to read me anyway? Well then, I'll show you. Oh, wait, babe. See, look, you reduced me to begging. So, no, please, no. I'll give you a nickel. No. Screw that. Dime? No. Quarter? No. Oh, come on, just stop. No. That's instead of reach my match plan. Behold, the awesome power of flash animation. Let's get funky. Okay, I think it's this button. No.